What is good, beautiful people? Today we're going to be making some, I wouldn't call it funk soul, I would call it more like acoustic soul, indie soul is what I think I'm going to call it. It's going to be like the internet, Anderson .Paak stuff. I heard it while I was at the gym today and it was crazy, so let's bust into it. I've got the camera. I don't have a tea. Oh my days, oh my days. Whew, that was scary. I've got my chamomile tea. Let's get into it. Start with addictive drums. And start with the drum beat. The drum beats something like that. 95, 96. I can't finger drum. I've got to do it one at a time. 2, 3, 4. Oh man, that is rough. We're gonna add just some extra hits that I didn't. And then move this one over. Boom. Move this one over. Yeah, almost there. And then. We're gonna click the plus so that we can record over the top of both of them. In fact, I'm gonna duplicate it so I have the hats on a second track. It's a triplet. Ta 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 ta. 3, 4. Ooh, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And we got that natural swing. You can see some of them are off. Some of them are really off. And we've got a nice velocity kind of curve as well. How does it sound when I bring it to the right? Wait, why is some of them... Oh, because I moved this up as well. That's nice. That's really tight. That's the tight hi-hat that I want. There it is. There it is. There it is. Nice. Let's expand this in length so we can come up with some ideas. The thing I'm actually going to use to find my chord progression today is going to be the guitar. Right, let's loop the kind of the verse section. Let's see if we find anything that we like. That's fine. 1, 2, 3, and. That's a really cool chorus. I wonder if they flow together. Should we hear them together? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I forgot it already. 1, 2, 3, and. If I can remember how to play an 11th, oh, here we go. There it is. Try that again. 2, 3, and. Oh, that's really attractive. That's the line. That's the line. We'll get that in before we even start adding effects. And if you guys want to learn exactly how I do all of this stuff, if you want to learn mixing, mastering, music theory, and how to effortlessly create songs like your favorite artists, check out the R&B Academy. That is where I'm teaching everybody the ins and outs of how to make their favorite genres, start sounding like their favorite artists, find their own unique sound, and start building their music career. So check that out and book a free call with me on the page. That'll be the first link in the description. I just wanna won't you fall down today? What a down, so on it, yeah. But I was son, I want it done. On it, don't we done today? Then what a down, so on it, day. I'm gonna try and duplicate that gibberish. I just wanna done. Want you wanna done today? Wanna dance, so donna donna. But I wanna sana what the donna donna san donna wani donna day donna one so donna day. There you go, the internet featuring the minions. Here we go. Let's join all of these together. Add a little bit of vintage, keep the guitar really clean. I've had the coolest idea for the bass in the verse. I don't even know if I can play it, but I've had the coolest idea. So I kept the guitar simple so that I could actually add a little bit more in the bass. It's all minor, so this is why we want to know our minor arpeggios so that we can just add some tonality to it instead of just playing the root notes. They're all minor, and let's get a little bounce. I just never want to, whenever a line comes into my head, I never want to forget it. So I just, what it that, what it that, what it that, what it set up, what it that, what it that, yeah, I see what it that, and then in the chorus, I just want you okay, so the idea is walking bass, but I need to remember whether I played minor or major for my chords, otherwise the arpeggios are not gonna fly. So the first one was major, minor, major, minor. Okay, major, minor, major, minor. It's gonna take me a while to get this one, guys. I am not very good at walking bass, but 1, 2, 3. I messed it up already. 2, 3. Oh no! Did I get enough for half a verse? Yeah, let's just pretend like I did that 4 times. Yeah, let's just pretend like I did that well. It's busy, but it's cool. It's cool. I'm gonna do like a counting thing, and I think that could be cool. I mean, that is not as cool as I thought it would be. And then take this section here, maybe. Yeah, let's. Yeah. Woo. 2, 3, let's go. Woo. Yeah. We'll go FM keys. Let's try peculiar sounds and get a really bright kind of FM keys. We don't really want that kind of. If you bring the modulation right up, you get a little bit of that kind of tremolo vibrato thing. But let's find the chords then. What did I play? E flat. Okay. The chords we're going on: D major, C sharp, minor, B flat major 7, 9, and then to the F sharp minor 9. And we want to be the octave up. Woo! Oh, record that in 2, 3, 4. I almost missed that second one. Woo! Get contact. And then a little bit of a solo. I'll indulge myself. In fact, bun contact, because I don't think we need strings. Yeah, I'm going to indulge myself in a little bit of a solo. Oh, that's the one. I'm going to turn down the reverb. Turn off the reverb. Up an octave. I don't know what kind of key we'll be in, so we're gonna have to. What I like to do is you want to try and change the scale that you're using with the chord changes that you're kind of jumping into. So we're starting with that. We're starting with that D. Are we? Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. My days. Woo. I'm gonna start it off low. I'm gonna start it off with the verse that we have here, and then woo, hey. And then these come in. Does it need anything else? Are we done already? How long have I been recording for? Half an hour. That's quick, guys. That's quick even for me. Let's have a listen. Let's check out the demo. long. Double down on that motif. Oh, and back into the verse. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you want to check out the sound vault, you can find all of my links in the description. And if you want to see my first attempt at making the internet using that drum kit, check out this video right here.